In this video, I'll show you how to find a tag, memo, or comment in Tonkeeper when sending or checking a transaction. First, open the Tonkeeper app and unlock your wallet. On the main screen, you'll see your Ton balance and recent transactions. To view a memo or comment from a completed transfer, tap the transaction you want to check in the history list. Next, open the transaction details page. Here you'll see information such as the amount, sender or receiver address, transaction hash, and the comment field. In Tonkeeper, the comment field works as the memo or tag used during the transfer. If you are sending funds and need to add a memo, tap the token you want to send and choose Send. After entering the recipient address and amount, you will see a comment field before confirming the transaction. This is where you paste the memo or tag provided by an exchange like Binance or another platform. Finally, double-check the wallet address and memo before confirming the transaction, because an incorrect or missing memo can cause delays when sending funds to some exchanges. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.